Welcome to the fourth edition of the Young Scientist Kenya 2021 National Science Online Exhibition. We are representatives
Yaya Laventa, a Form 3.
and I, Lodanyi Priska, a Form 4, both from Vialo Secondary School. And we have a project under social and behavioral science entitled
The Jiga Menace Remedy Complex.
The problem we are trying to solve with this project is that Jiga infestation is a neglected public health problem. Knowledge on Jiga infestation is limited, hence Jiga prevention and control has to be realized in Kenya. The Jiga affects many impoverished population living in Kenya. In order to realize the universal health coverage in Kenya, Jiga Menace Remedy Complex must be sought for.
And also, most of the people that are infested with Jigas, like the pupils in school, their self-esteem is low, and also they are stigmatized. This may lead to them having poor performance in class because of this disaster of Jiga. We had two objectives under this project, that are to prepare antibacterial soap solution that can remedy Jiga infestation, and to prepare the Jiga Menace Remedy Complex to curb Jiga infestation. We had the main components of the Jiga Menace Remedy Complex, that are Ungenrol, industrial salt, K-roll, and distilled water. To come up with this project, we need two procedures. The first one is to prepare the soap solution. The second one, to prepare the Jiga Menace Remedy Complex. Let us start with the first procedure.
The first procedure, which entails preparation of soap solution. To make the soap solution, you need to prepare solution A, which is a mixture of industrial salt and ungerol. To make solution B, you need to mix ufacid and distilled water. To form solution C, you need to mix solution A and solution B. A soap solution is made by mixing solution C and solution D, which solution D is a mixture of solution A and B with caustic soda.
Under the second procedure, which is the preparation of the Jiga Menace Remedy Complex, it entails the following.
You mix the soap solution, which was prepared in the first procedure, with K-roll to form the Jiga Menace Remedy Complex. The Jiga Menace Remedy Complex, we dubbed it as the J-Fix Complex. J stands for Jiga, Fix stands for treating the Jigas.
You spray the J-Fix complex to the affected area of the patient infested with Jigas for at least twice a day, at least 3 days, and at most 7 days. You can also use a clean cotton wool or a clean poultry feather to spray the Jiga Menace Remedy Complex to the affected area, depending on how the situation is. The results of this project have been obtained through an actual treatment of the people who are infested with Jigas.
The J-Fix complex has successfully been used in 2 instances. In the first instance, the J-Fix complex has been proved working on Mr. Ronnie Mudanya, who was chronically infested with Jigas. And when we gave him the J-Fix complex, his problem was fixed in a week's time. This evidence is attached on our report book in form of a YouTube video link for your careful viewing.
Hey, owing to the fact that Mr. Ronnie was completely healed, we took an initiative to treat more than 20 pupils at Twamage Primary School who were also chronically infested with Jigas, as it will be seen attached on our report book in form of a YouTube video link.
The limitation of this project is that in poor homesteads, the affected people have a strong belief that Jiga infestation is a curse and do nothing to prevent it. They are psychologically prepared to live with this health problem, and it is difficult to change their minds.
We therefore recommend KEMRI to do more research on this project and carry out public awareness so that these people can change their behavior. We jointly endeavor to make Kenya, Africa, and the entire world free from Jigas in the near future using our innovation in medicine, the J-Fix Complex. Thank you.